Are you using LinkedIn Creator Mode? In today's video, I'm going to show you why you need to look at your followers every single week. Hey, this is Brenda Meller, and I'm working on a LinkedIn profile audit for a client today. I noticed that he had the Creator Mode turned on in his profile. And the way that I know this is by looking at the top of the profile. If you have these hashtags selected, it says talks about, you can pick up to 5 hashtags there. You also might have that custom link if you've enabled that. So on his particular profile, I know for certain he has set up creator mode. So I'm going to walk you through today why you need to be aware of your followers and then how to look them up. Okay, first thing, when you set up creator mode on LinkedIn, did you know that your default button changes from connect to follow? What do I mean by that? Well, when people that are visiting your profile for the very first time, they're not connected to you. Typically, a LinkedIn members button would say connect, right? So you can connect with them. Now, if you have creator mode turned on, your default button is going to say follow instead. Now, there is a way for them to connect with you, but most people don't know how to do that. So they just click on the follow button. Now, what happens there is you've lost a potential connection opportunity. So what I want to show you is a really simple way to look these individuals up. All you need to do is click on your follower count. And when you do so, it will pop you over to a screen where you can see a list of people who are following you. Now, what I like to do is just scroll down the list. If off to the right-hand side it says follow next to them, that means I am not yet following them back. And let me just scroll through the list to show you a few examples. When I see someone like Chris, for example, here, it says following. Typically, that means that one of us has invited the other to connect and we are now connected. Because what happens is if you're connected with a person, you're going to be following them by default. Okay. So all of the other people I see in the list that have follow next to them, there's a good chance they came to my profile, they saw the follow button, they couldn't figure out a way to connect, so they clicked on follow. So now what I would encourage you to do is to make sure that you do look at these followers once a week if you have creator mode turned on, and look and see, are these individuals that might make sense for you to connect with, because they might not know that they can connect with you. All right. Did you find this tip helpful? Do let me know by dropping me a comment below. And if you visit my profile, click on follow. I'll be sure to look you up. You can also click on the more button on my profile and mention that you watched this video. I'd be happy to connect with you. This is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing, helping you to get a bigger slice of the LinkedIn pie. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.